Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about methods of area calculation. Calculation of area can be done by using following methods. First is mid-ordinate method, second average ordinate method, trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. Now we'll discuss each method in detail. First is the mid-ordinate rule. In this rule, let O1, O2, O3 and ON are ordinates at equal intervals and L is the length of baseline. So consider the given figure. H1, H2 are mid ordinates. Now in this figure, as we can see, O1, O2, O3. This is O1, O2, O3. Likewise, these are the ordinates are equal interval of 10 meter. So area of plot can be calculated by using formula H1 D. H1 is what? Mid ordinate. So somewhere here will be H1. The average of these two will be H2 likewise. So area of plot will be equal to H1D plus H2D up to the last ordinate upon D into summation of all mid ordinates. So this can be calculated by using simple formula common distance into sum of mid ordinates. Next method is average ordinate method. In this method also all the data is same. The figure is also same. Just we have to calculate number of divisions. The formula of area will be summation of ordinates upon number of ordinates, that is n plus 1. So area will be equal to sum of ordinate into length of baseline upon number of ordinates. So length of baseline is what? The total length, that is length of baseline. Next method is the trapezoidal rule. In trapezoidal rule, the boundaries between the ends of ordinate are assumed to be straight. Thus, the areas enclosed between the baseline and the irregular boundary line are considered as trapezoidals. If there are curvature or irregular shape, we consider it as trapezoid. Let O1, O2, ON are ordinates at equal interval and D is the common distance between two ordinates. Then the first area will be found out by using what? Average of ordinate into distance. Same second area will be calculated by using average of second and third ordinate into their difference. Same way we have to calculate areas of each portion and then we have to apply the formula which is total area is equal to common distance upon 2 into bracket first ordinate plus last ordinate plus 2 into summation of remaining ordinates. The formula is very useful for finding out area. And then the same figure we use over here also. And last formula is Simpson's rule. In this rule, the boundaries between the ends of the ordinates are assumed to form an arc of parabola. In trapezoidal, we assume it as a straight line. Whereas in Simpson's rule, we assume it as a parabola. Hence, Simpson's rule is sometimes called as parabolic rule also. The figure is same, which are useful over here. As you can see, we have used it as a parabola, not as a straight line. So here, area of A, F, small e, capital D and C, this much area. This area we have considered. That is area of trapezoid plus area of segment, that is FEDF. So area of trapezoid we can calculate by using simple formula, that is average of ordinates into 2D, double the distance. And to calculate area of segment, that is curve portion, that is 2 by 3 into area of parallelogram. So that can be find out by using simple formula. So then we have to add both the areas to get the area of that single figure. So basically what we do and the conclusion will be the actual formula. That is, you have to remember this formula. Total area is equal to common distance upon 3 into bracket common distance upon 3 into bracket first ordinate plus last ordinate plus 4 into sum of even ordinates plus 2 into sum of remaining ordinates. So by using these four rules, we can calculate area of any figure. Thank you.